Hello, am I audible? Please comment. Everyone join this class and please comment. I'm audible or not. Everyone please join the class. Am I audible? Please comment. Am I audible? सब लोग आ जाइए और क्लास का आनंद लीजिए. After 2 to 3 minutes, then I will start the class. सब लोग आ जाइए and क्लास का मजा लीजिए. Am I audible? Please comment. Please comment. सब लोग ज्वाइन हो जाइए और क्लास का आनंद लीजिए. सब लोग ज्वाइन हो जाइए और क्लास का आनंद लीजिए. Am I audible? Please comment. Am I audible or not? Please comment. After 1 to 2 minutes, then I will start the class. Existing candidate, please comment. सब लोग आ जाइए और क्लास का मजा लीजिए. सब लोग आ जाइए और क्लास का मजा लीजिए. So today our first question, this everyone tried this question. First question is visible. First question, let's say that let a1 is equals to 1 and an is equals to an minus 1 plus 4, n greater equals to 2, then limit n tending to infinity 1 by a1 a2 plus 1 by a2 a3 plus so on is equals to which option is correct. So everyone's tried and please comment what is the answer of the sequence of the given sequence. Everyone try this question and please join our class and enjoy it. There questions say that a1 is equals to 1 and n equals to an minus 1 plus 4, n greater equals to 2, then limit n tending to infinity 1 by a1 a2 plus 1 by a2 a3 plus so on 1 by n minus 1 a n is equals to what value? Everyone try and please comment what is this answer. सब लोग ज्वाइंट हो जाइए और क्लास का आनंद लीजिए. What is the value of the sequence? Question is clear. Everyone try and what is the value of the sequence? Let's say that limit n tending to infinity 1 by a1 a2 plus 1 by a2 a3 plus so on is equals to, that's mean its limiting value. What is the limiting value of the sequence? Everyone try it and please comment what is the value of the sequence, limit of the sequence. Everyone try. सब लोग ट्राई करिए और आंसर बोलिए यहाँ का आंसर क्या होगा. After 1 to 2 minutes then I will discuss it. सब लोग आ जाइए और क्लास का आनंद लीजिए. So this problem we can solve here. Here we see that a1 is equals to 1, okay, and here another relation is a n is equals to a n minus 1 plus 4. Is it clear to everyone? So then I was found a2 a3 a4 so on, okay. So first we put n equals to 2. So what is the value of an? So this is value of a2 is equals to a1 plus 4. So here a1 is equals to 1. So definitely 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. So a2 is 5. Is it clear to everyone? Next find a3. So a3 is equals to a2 plus 4. So that's mean A2 here 5. So 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. Okay. If we find A4 is equals to A3 plus 4 is equals to 9 plus 4 is equals to 13. So on. So now we put given sequence. So here given sequence type is 1 by A1 A2 plus 1 by A2 A3 plus dot dot, another is also we can write A3 A4 and so on. Is it clear to everyone? So now we put A1 A2 of the given sequence. So we can write 1 by 1 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 9 plus 1 by 9 into 13. So on, so on. Is it clear to everyone? 1 by, that is difference is 4n minus 3. So here is last term is 4n minus 3 and is at, so 4n plus 1. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Then here we can write this is also 1 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 13, so on, 1 by 4n minus 3 minus 1 by 4n plus 1. Is it clear to everyone? If we LCM, then we can find this type of sequence. Is it clear to everyone? Next, here we see that here minus 1 by 5, here plus 1 by 5. And also here we see that minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9. So alternative sign, this is this cut. So here we see that obviously first term and here we see that last term is exist. Is it clear to everyone? So here we see that here exists 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by 4n plus 1. Is it clear to everyone? All term is neglected. Now taking limit. So if taking limit n tending to infinity 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4n plus 1. So n tending to infinity 1 by n tending to 0. So obviously this answer is 1 by 4. So here limit n tending to infinity, this type of sequence is equals to 1 by 4. Is it clear to everyone? So here we can first we find here given a1 equals to 1 and another sequence an equals to an minus 1 plus 1. So here we put n equals to 2, 3, 4. We can find if n equals to 2, we get a2 equals to a5, 5, a3, then we get 9, a4 we get 13. Okay. Then here we put every value, that is a1, a2, a3, a4, so on. So we get 1 by 1 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 9, so on. Then we can write 1 by 1 into 5, it's this type of relation. 1 into 5 into 9, this type of relation. If we LCM this relation, we get this result. And here 4 by 5, 4 by 1 into 5, 4 by 5 into 9, this type of relation. So we can divide 1 by 4, then we get this type of relation. Okay. So here we see that alternative sign is discussed. So here first term and last term exist. So here we can write 1 minus 1 by 4n plus 1. Then here limit n tending to infinity. So limit n tending to infinity, we can get n tending to infinity 1 by n tending to 0. So here limit this type of sequence is equals to 1 by 4. So here answer is 1 by 4. Is it clear to everyone? Please comment. So now go to second question. Second question. Second question says that the sequence cos 1 by 2 tan inverse minus n by 2 whole to the power n is monotone and convergent. Second option is convergent but not monotone but not convergent. Third option convergent but not monotone. Fourth option is neither monotone not convergent. सब लोग ट्राई करिए और क्वेश्चन का आंसर यहाँ पे लिखिए, कमेंट सेक्शन में आंसर लिखिए और क्लास का मजा लीजिए. Everyone try and comment. What is the answer of the sequence? Given sequence is cos 1 by 2 tan inverse minus n by 2 whole to the power n is monotone and convergent, monotone but not convergent, convergent but not monotone, neither monotone nor convergent. क्लास का आनंद लीजिए. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या होगा और यहाँ पे कमेंट सेक्शन पे आंसर लिखिए. Everyone solve this question and please comment. What is the answer of the given sequence? सब लोग आंसर लिखिए. कमेंट सेक्शन पे सब लोग आंसर लिखिए. जो भी आया वो भी लिखिए. बट लिखिए, सब लोगों का आंसर क्या होगा लिखिए. If we find the sequence is convergent, then we can say monotone मतलब, अच्छा, monotone मतलब increasing or decreasing. If an is any sequence, if an plus 1 is greater than an, then it's called monotone increasing sequence. If an less than an plus 1 less than an, then it's called monotone decreasing sequence. If anyone exists, then it's called monotone. Monotone matlab increasing or decreasing. If a sequence increasing or decreasing, then we can say that this is monotone. Is it clear? Is it clear? If we find convergent sequence, then we can obviously say that this is monotone. Okay. If a sequence convergent, then we can say that it is monotone. समझ गया? ओके, वेरी नाइस. तो ट्राई करिए, इसका आंसर क्या होगा कमेंट सेक्शन पे दीजिए और क्वेश्चन का मजा लीजिए. क्वेश्चन का मजा लीजिए. So here an is equals to cos 1 by 2 tan inverse minus n by 2 whole to the power n whole to the power n. This is the given question. Okay. So first we know that tan inverse minus x is equals to minus tan inverse x. Okay. So this problem we can write cos of minus 1 whole to the power n by 2 tan inverse n by 2. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, this is the first technique. And also we know that cos of minus x is equals to cos of x. Okay, so this problem we can write cos 1 by 2 tan inverse n by 2 whole to the power n. Is it clear to everyone? Now taking limit. So limit n tending to infinity an is equals to limit n tending to infinity cos 1 by 2 tan inverse n by 2 whole to the power n. So n tending to infinity, that is tan inverse infinity. So tan inverse infinity, what value? Tan inverse infinity give pi by 2, 90 degree. Is it clear? So we can find limit n tending to infinity cos 1 by 2 and tan inverse infinity, that is pi by 2. So pi by 2 and cos pi by 2, cos by pi by 4, what value gives? This is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 is a finite value. So finite value, that's mean an sequence is convergent. And if a sequence converges, then this sequence also monotone. Okay, so here first option is correct. Is it clear? Any doubt, please comment. Any doubt, please comment. So here A is this type of sequence. First we know that tan inverse minus x is equals to minus tan inverse x. So here we can write minus 1 whole to the power n by 2 tan inverse n by 2 whole to the power n. And we also know that cos of minus x is equal to cos x. So we can write that cos of 1 by 2 tan inverse n by 2 whole to the power n. Now taking limit n tending to infinity both sides. So we get this type of relation, and we know that tan inverse infinity is equals to pi by 2, 90 degree. So cos of pi by 4 is equals to 1 by root 2. It is finite, give finite value. Limit exists, so therefore limit is convergent. If limit exists, then we can say that the sequence is convergent. So if the sequence is convergent, then we can say that this sequence is also monotone. If a sequence convergent, if is monotone increasing or decreasing. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? कमेंट कीजिए. Is it clear? Please comment. Now go to the third question. Please comment. Is it clear to everyone? Please comment. Okay, very good. So now go to the third question. Here third question say that let A n be a sequence of positive real number. Last. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay, very good. Here last line say that if an here last line say that cos of minus x is equals to cos x. We know that. So we can write cos of 1 by 2 tan inverse n by 2 whole to the power n. And now we're taking limit n tending to infinity. Okay. So limit n tending to infinity, that is tan inverse infinity is equals to pi by 2, that is 90 degree, and cos of pi by 4 that means 45 degree. So cos 45 degree is equals to 1 by root 2, that is finite value. So we know that if a sequence convergent, if limit n tending to infinity n is equals to L, if L is give finite, then we can say that an is convergent. Is it clear? N is convergent. So if a sequence convergent, then we can say that this sequence is monotone. So here first option is correct. Monotone and convergent. Okay. Clear? Clear? Now go to the third question. So here third question. First I will read this question. Let an be a sequence of positive real number satisfy 4 by an plus 1 is equals to 3 by an plus an to the power q by 81. Okay. So this question I will write first. 4 by an plus 1 is equals to 3 by an plus an cube by 81. Okay. So n of the sequence of positive real numbers satisfy this relation, and a1 is equals to 1, then the term of the sequence lie. Which interval of the lie of the sequence? Which option is correct? Everyone try. सब लोग ट्राई करिए और क्वेश्चन का मजा लीजिए और कमेंट सेक्शन में आंसर बोलिए. Which option is correct? Here first interval is closed interval 1 by 2 to 3 by 2. Second option is 0, 1. Third option is 1, 2. And fourth option is 1, 3. Okay. So which option is correct? Please comment. Everyone try. सब लोग ट्राई करिए एंड आंसर बोलिए. सब लोगों का आंसर क्या आया है कमेंट सेक्शन में आंसर दीजिए. After 2 to 3 minutes, then I will solve it. सब लोग ट्राई करिए और कमेंट सेक्शन में आंसर दीजिए. After 2 to 3 minutes, then I will discuss. Then I will discuss it. So this type of problem we can solve it taking limit tending to infinity a n is equals to L, then solve it. Everyone try and please comment. What is your answer? Please comment. सब लोग आंसर करिए कमेंट सेक्शन में. सब लोग ट्राई करिए और आंसर भरिए कमेंट सेक्शन में. सब लोगों का आंसर क्या होगा कमेंट सेक्शन में आंसर लिखिए और क्वेश्चन का मजा लीजिए. प्रीवियस क्लास में मैं इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर बोला था. सब लोग ट्राई करिए और आंसर बोलिए. आंसर क्या होगा? सब लोगों का आंसर क्या है कमेंट सेक्शन में बोलिए. कमेंट कीजिए आंसर क्या होगा सब लोगों का. So this problem we can solve first by taking limit. Okay, so here finding limit of the sequence a n, let limit n tending to infinity a n is equals to n. If limit n tending to infinity a n is equals to n, then a n plus 1 is also tending to n. Because a n is convergent n, then also a n plus 1 is also convergent to n. Now given problem, we're taking limit both sides. So we get limit n tending to infinity 4 by a n plus 1 is equals to limit n tending to infinity 3 by a n plus a n cube by 81. Is it clear to everyone? Now we consider let limit n tending to infinity a n is equals to a. So here a n plus 1 is also converged to L. So we can write 4 by L is equals to 3 by L plus L cube by 81. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Now only solve it. So here 4 by L is equals to 81 L is equals to, we can write 3 into 81 plus L cube. So here discard L, we get 81 into 4 is equals to 3 into 81, this type of L to the power 4 is equals to plus L to the power 4. That is implying L to the power 4 is equals to 81 into 4 minus 3, that is 81. So we can find L is equals to plus minus 3, plus minus 3 Is it clear to everyone? Okay. So now L equals to plus minus 3, if that is limit n tending to infinity, a n is equals to 3 or minus 3. Okay. So which option exists 3 value, then this is the correct answer. So here we see that first option is 3 by 2, 1 by 2, not exist 3 by 3, so this is discard. 0 1 is not exist 3, this is not correct. Third option is 1 and 2. Here not exist any 3 or minus 3. So this is discard. So here D option we see that 1 and 3. So here 3 exists. So option D is correct. Here like L is equals to 3. So here option D is correct. So I hope it is clear to everyone. Any doubt, please comment. Is it clear to everyone? Please comment. Is it clear to everyone? Any doubt? Please comment. Now go to the next question. Okay. Now go to the next question. So next question say that limit n tending to infinity 1 by root n, 1 by root 2 plus root 4 plus 1 by root 4 plus root 6 plus so on. 1 by root 2n plus root 2n plus 2. Which option is correct if limit n tending to infinity? Here sequence, this is type of the sequence, and limit n tending to infinity, then what value of the limit of the sequence? Let's type. Let's try to everyone and please comment. क्वेश्चन ट्राई करिए एंड क्वेश्चन का मजा लीजिए. सब लोग क्वेश्चन ट्राई कीजिए और क्वेश्चन का आनंद लीजिए. क्वेश्चन का मजा लीजिए. Here question say that limit n tending to infinity 1 by root n, 1 by root 2 plus root 4 plus 1 by root 4 plus root 6 plus so on 1 by root 2n plus root 2n plus 2. Which option is correct? Okay, if limit n tending to infinity. सब लोग ट्राई करिए और कमेंट सेक्शन में आंसर दीजिए. आंसर क्या होगा तुम लोगों का? Then I will 2 to 3 minutes I will solve it. सब लोग आंसर कीजिए कमेंट सेक्शन में. सब लोगों का आंसर क्या होगा कमेंट सेक्शन में आंसर बोलिए और क्वेश्चन का मजा लीजिए. इस गर्मी का आनंद उपभोग करिए. कमेंट करिए सब लोग आंसर क्या होगा. सब सब लोग बोलिए, तुम लोगों का आंसर क्या आना है? सब लोग बोलिए आंसर क्या आना आया है आप लोगों का? हम तो करेंगे। This type of sequence we can, आप कर दीजिए, मैं तो सभी करता हूँ। This type of sequence we can solve rationalized form. Okay, if we take rationalized form, then it is more easy. Okay, so here this type of integral is rationalized form. We can write limit n tending to infinity 1 by root n. Here root 2 plus root 4 exists, so both denominator and numerator, we can write root 2 minus root 2 root 4, and here root 2 plus root 4 into root 2 minus root 4. Is it clear to everyone? This is also second option. We can write root 4 minus root 6. Here root 4 plus root 6 and root 4 minus root 6. Is it clear? Plus root 2n minus root 2n plus 2, and here denominator 2n root 2n plus root 2n plus 2 and root 2n minus root 2n plus 2. Is it clear to everyone? So here we see that this type is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square form. Okay, so a square minus b square form, there is exist minus root minus 2. This type we can write if root 2 plus root 4 into root 2 minus root 4, that is a plus b into a minus b, that is root 2 square minus root 4 square. So we can write 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. Similarly here also minus 2 exists, here also minus 2 exists. So if we common minus 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, so we get limit n tending to infinity 1 by minus 2 root n. So here we see that root 2 minus root 4 plus root 4 minus root 6 is so on. We can find root 2n minus root 2n plus 2. Is it clear to everyone? So if we see that here alternative sign exists, so that is discard. This discard. Here root 6. So next term is also exists root 6 minus root 8. So it is also discard. So here exists first term and last term, and middle term is all 0. Is it clear to everyone? So we can find limit n tending to infinity root 2 plus root 2n minus root 2n plus 2 by 2 root n. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? So now this is also discussed. This is also discussed. This is the second last term. So this is discussed. This type of relation exists. Okay. So here we can write limit n tending to infinity limit n tending to infinity, and this is the alternative sign we can write, this is the minus. So here we see that minus root 2 by 2 root n plus root 2 by 2. Limit n tending to infinity, 1 by root n goes to 0, this is 0, and here we can find 1 by root 2. So answer is 1 by root 2, that is option B is correct. Is it clear to everyone? If any doubt, then I repeat this. Here we can find first, here we can start first rationalized form. If exists root 2 plus root 4, that means we can different sign upper and multiply. So we get root 2 minus root 4, and upper and lower both multiply by root 2 minus root 4. Second, here root 4 plus root 6, so we can find, we can multiply root 4 minus root 6 upper and lower. So this is type of the relation, and we get their lower part is minus 2. So if I, now common minus 1 by 2, so we get this is type of relation. And here we see that 4 root 4 minus and root 4 plus exists, and minus root 6 plus root 6 exists. So alternative sign discussed. So here first time and here this time is exist. So now we distribute taking n root n, and we get minus root 2 by 2 root n times plus root 2 by 2. So n tending to infinity, but very good, n tending to infinity, so 1 by n goes to 0, so this is the 0, and we get this is value 1 by root 2, so 1 by root 2 exists, option B, so here option B is correct. Is it clear to everyone? Now go to the second question, next question. So next question, first I will read this question, then everyone try it. If the sequence xn equals to this type, what is this type? Xn equals to 1 by n plus 2 1 plus 1 by n plus 2 plus dot 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 1 by 1 by n plus n. So an is monotone, increasing, decreasing, divergent sequence, and none of this. Which option is correct? What is monotone increasing sequence? First I can obviously say that if xn plus 1 is greater than xn, then is called an is monotone increasing sequence. If an plus 1 less than xn, then is called monotone decreasing sequence. And divergent sequence, if limit xn equals to some infinity or minus infinity, then is called the divergent sequence. If does not exist any option, then none of this. Is it clear to everyone? Everyone try, सब लोग ट्राई करिए और क्वेश्चन का मजा लीजिए. क्वेश्चन का मजा लीजिए और ट्राई करिए. ढंग से क्वेश्चन ट्राई करिए, जरूर होगा क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन ट्राई करिए और क्वेश्चन का आनंद लीजिए. सीक्वेंस का क्वेश्चन बहुत ही सुंदर सुशीला है. जब भी तुम लोग दिल से करेंगे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सब लोग ट्राई करिए और क्वेश्चन का मजा लीजिए, आनंद लीजिए, सीक्वेंस का मजा लीजिए. ভাই দরজাটা বন্ধ করতো। सब लोग ट्राई करिए और आंसर, सब लोगों का आंसर क्या आया है कमेंट सेक्शन में बोलिए। Everyone try this problem and solve it, and please comment what is the answer of the given problem. Please comment. Please comment. सब लोगों का आंसर क्या आया है प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन पे कमेंट करिए। After 2 to 3 minutes, then I will discuss it. सब लोग आंसर कीजिए और क्वेश्चन का मजा लीजिए। ये क्वेश्चन बहुत सुशीला है, सुंदर है। क्वेश्चन बहुत सुशीला सुंदर है। दिल से करिए, मजा आ जाएगा। सब लोग ट्राई करिए और आंसर बोलिए। इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या आया है तुम लोगों का? कमेंट सेक्शन में बोलिए आंसर क्या आया है। होगा और नहीं होगा कुछ तो बता दो। क्या हाल चाल है आप लोगों का? कुछ तो बताओ। So this problem we can write aste x Sn equals to 1 by n plus 2 1 by n plus n. Okay, this problem first we common 1 by n, so we can write 1 by 1 plus 1 by n plus 1 by 1 plus 2 by n plus so on 1 by 1 plus n by n. Is it clear to everyone? So this type of relation we can write 1 by n is equals to summation of r equals to 1 to n 1 by 1 plus r by n form. Okay, and this is the definite integral relation. Everyone know that. And this is value is we can write 0 to 1 1 by 1 plus x dx. Okay, so this is 1 by 1 plus x dx, that is log form. So log 1 plus x, so 0 to 1, that is log 2 minus log 1, that's mean log 2. So log 2 is finite value, so definitely is convergent. So here divergent sequence, this is the discard option, and none of this is also discard if this is monotone increasing or this is monotone decreasing. Any one option is correct. This is clear to everyone. So here we can, here we know that if xn plus 1 greater than xn, that is monotone increasing. If xn plus 1 less than xn, that is monotone decreasing. Or limit of xn is equal to infinity or minus infinity, that is divergent. So here limit n tending to infinity Sn, we can see that this is log 2. So definitely this is not a divergent. So now we find monotone increasing or decreasing. So xn is, this is type of equation, this type of relation. So xn plus 1, we can see that 1 by 1 by n plus 2 and so on, 1 by n plus 1 plus 1 by n plus 1. If we subtract xn plus 1 minus sn, okay, so here alternative, if xn plus 1 minus xn, so this term neglect, this term neglect, so only this term is exist, 1 by 2n plus 2. Is it clear? So if we put n is any natural number 1 2, if a sequence, so definitely domain set is natural number. So if we put n equals to 1 2 3, so obviously this value is greater than 0. Is it clear to everyone? So that is imply xn plus 1 greater than sn. So xn plus 1 greater than sn, that is the sequence is monotone increasing sequence. So here not a decreasing, so monotone increasing, so here first option is correct. So the sequence is monotone increasing sequence. Is it clear to everyone? Please comment. Is it clear to everyone? Please comment. Now today our last question discussion. Is it clear? Any doubt? Please comment. Now go to today our last question discussion. So given question is for the sequence minus 1 whole to the power n, then limit supremum, that is limit bar of xn, upper bar of xn, that is limit supremum of xn is equals to which option is correct. This is the very easiest question, 1 to 2 minute question का time का question है. Everyone try it and please comment. This is a very easiest question. For the sequence minus 1 whole to the power n, limit supremum of xn is equals to minus 1 1 minus infinity plus infinity. Which option is correct? Which option is correct? Please comment. Everyone please comment. So here sequence is minus 1 whole to the power n. Okay, n is sequence minus 1 whole to the power n. So if n is even, so 1 1 1. If n is odd, that is minus 1 minus 1 1. So here sequence member of the sequence minus by range of the sequence minus 1 and 1. So 2 point exist. So maximum value is supremum and minimum value is infimum. So obviously here supremum or limit sub of xn equals to 1 and limit infimum of xn equals to minus 1. Here question is limit supremum. So here option 1. So that is option B is correct. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. So today this is our last question. So thank you watching my video. Share, subscribe. Thank you.